Hey guys, welcome back to Aspirants. Knowing how to cook is one of the most useful skills we can learn. If we can cook, we can eat healthy dishes made at home with fresh ingredients instead of having to buy unhealthy fast food or expensive pre-cooked or frozen meals. Cooking our own meals is not only healthy and cheap but can also be fun if we explore cookbooks and cooking websites and find new recipes to try. So today we are going to learn some vocabulary about cooking. So without further ado, let's get started.